Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're at the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated bottle cutters. Investing in a glass cutter for your home, hobby, or small business is both environmental and rewarding. Glass bottles are plentiful and can be found in a wide variety of sizes, colors, and shapes, making them a great resource for the creative mind. Having a dependable glass bottle cutter can enhance your work and elevate your projects beyond the do-it-yourself phase. In this video, we compiled the 7 top-rated glass cutters that tick all the boxes on quality, accuracy, and efficiency. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the bottle cutters that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first bottle cutter in our list is the KOZYLAND bottle cutter. If you already own a simple beginner's version, and now you're looking to upgrade your piece to a model that's a little more durable, you just might find that what you're looking for in this cutter sold by KOZYLAND. This particular machine is a little stronger than some others, thanks to its base, supports, and all of its pieces being made from stainless steel. Given this materiality, it also has an extra safety feature in the form of strong rubber on its underside, ensuring that the machine doesn't slide or slip while you're cutting. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the KOZYLAND bottle cutter a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: Complete Kit. KOZYLAND gives you everything you need to perform flawless DIY work, including bottle cutters, glass cutters, a drill bit, sandpaper, and a replacement bit, and instructions. More stable. Since it has 5 wheels instead of 2, this bottle cutter is twice as stable as the average model. Adjustable blades and wheels. Both the blade and the wheels may be easily adjusted to accommodate a wide range of bottle sizes and shapes. High-quality cutting head. The 2 high-quality cutting blades in the set are designed for repeated use, each of which may last for up to 10,000 cuts. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, cuts aren't always straight and it may take a bit to get the right pressure and steps. The second bottle cutter in our list is the HPST glass bottle cutter. This tool for cutting bottles is ready to use right out of the box. You don't have to put together a bunch of bolts and screws first. It's everything you need to start making things right away, whether you're a beginner or an expert. We would also like to point out that it has 5 wheels that help stabilize the bottle so you can cut it more safely and accurately. And with only 1 screw to adjust the length, it's much more reliable and easier to use. In terms of size, it measures 5.25 by 2.38 by 12.68 inches. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the HPST glass bottle cutter a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: Adjustable. The lightweight HPST wine bottle cutter tool features an adjustable design that accommodates bottles up to 7.67 inches tall. Ultra strong blade. The cutter features an ultra-strong diamond carbide blade guaranteed to last you up to 100,000 clean cuts on any round bottle, including wine, beer, and even mason jars. User-friendly. It's possible for anyone to make their own vases, candlesticks, and many more in just 3 simple steps using the glass cutter. Complete glass cutting kit. This bottle and glass cutter set includes a glass cutting machine, a glass cutter tool, cut-resistant safety gloves, a simplified instruction booklet, and glass paper for polishing the edges of freshly cut glass. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, if you want to cut off the very bottom of the bottles, you can do so since the unit's positioning bar doesn't extend far enough. The third bottle cutter in our list is a soft touch bottle cutter. If you're still watching through our list in hopes of finding a glass bottle cutter that you can give to your craftiest friend as a gift, because you know it's something they've been hoping to invest in and you'd like to treat them while still keeping things pretty basic, then we definitely suggest taking a look at this model by Soft Touch. This 12 by 2 by 5 inch bottle cutter in size, adjustable and effective, with one of the most durable blades in the game. But it's also a rather standard model that's free of bells and whistles. It's the kind of straightforward DIY piece that's really just there to help you get the job done easily, in a good time but also as safely as possible. The company will even gift wrap it for you if you like. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Soft Touch bottle cutter a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: Durable blades. The 2 diamond carbide blades of the Soft Touch bottle cutter are so durable that they are guaranteed to last through at least 400,000 uses. Easy to operate. Cut the small glass bottles in half easily by placing them on the cutting surface and pressing down firmly in the center. Using medium pressure, move it from side to side over the surface. Lastly, you can spin the bottle as needed to make sure the shaving is even all the way around. Support structure. It's important to keep the glass water bottle steady, so this bottle cutter has 5 wheels to serve as support. Complete kit. It comes with everything you need to make crafts except the bottles. They provide a gorgeous gift box, several pieces of sandpaper, instructions, and even an extra cutting wheel so you can practice as many times as you'd like. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, this bottle cutter is so lightweight that doesn't stay still when cutting despite the support feature it has. The fourth bottle cutter in our list is the Genround bottle cutter. If you're looking for a tool that's not as industrial, consider the Genround model. It's an excellent choice for those just getting started, as well as for those who are looking to use it for a project or two. The quality of this model is on par with its competitors, and it's just a little smaller when it comes to capability. Measuring 10.24 by 5.71 by 4.72 inches, it comes tightly screwed into place and requires a key to loosen it up for use. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com is awarded the Genround bottle cutter a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Smooth cutting. This cutter makes it easy to make score line that joins up perfectly every time, giving you clean breaks. Even thick bottles break easily. 2 detachable heads. This glass cutter is equipped with 2 detachable heads, one for cutting the bodies of bottles with a diameter of up to 1.9 inches, and another for slicing off bottlenecks up to 1 inch. Useful for various crafts including candle holders, goblets, wind chimes, lampshades, flower vases, and more. More stable cut. The Genround bottle cutter now features a reinforced panel for a more secure base for cutting glass. It doesn't bend or wobble when you press the bottle on it, so you can easily score a circle and make a clean cut. Beginner friendly. The package includes a video and an instruction book demonstrating how to use the bottle, with rotatable blades and a fixed wheel. It simplifies adjustments and stabilizes cutting. Even inexperienced users can manage it successfully. This long-lasting glass cutting set will have you cutting bottles neatly in 5 simple steps. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, due to the design of this cutter, you're limited to round bottles only. The 5th bottle cutter in our list is the Fixm bottle cutter. Perhaps you have used a glass bottle cutter before, but the cutter you have only handles one particular bottle shape. Well, if you've been hoping to expand your capabilities, then maybe this alternative cutter from Fixm that can cut round and square bottles would be a good step up for you. This 7.09 by 3.15 by 1.97 inch glass cutter is incredibly easy to operate, simple to adjust, and even comes with some finishing tools like abrasive paper for safely dulling extremely sharp glass edges, so that whatever you create once cutting is done isn't sharp enough to hurt anyone. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com is awarded the Fixm bottle cutter a 3-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Easy to use. Simply place the bottle on the cutter and rotate it to score the bottle, then separate the bottle using hot and cold water. The upgrade version helps you rotate the square bottle easily as well. Highly versatile. Unless the bottle is embossed, you can use this bottle cutter to effortlessly cut any bottle you desire, whether it's a round wine bottle or a square whiskey bottle. Wide usage. From home to office, you can use this bottle cutter to DIY anything you like, such as making it into wind chimes to decorate your garden, or into chandeliers with all kinds of bottles to embellish your cozy house. Adjustable. This kit fits most bottles since you can adjust the width from 0.8 to 2.7 inches and its length from 2.4 to 5.9 inches. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the supply directions are unclear, but they're manageable with the aid of the pictures. The 6th bottle cutter in the list is the OAIEGSD glass bottle cutter. An excellent choice for both beginners and pros alike, this cutter includes top-notch accessories alongside a well-received model. It has a lot of wheels, which creates one of the smoothest cuts. In addition, the cutter looks tough and long-lasting as it's designed with a stainless steel base with a rubberized footing to grip your surface better. In terms of size, it measures 12.64 by 5.63 by 2.95 inches. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com is awarded the OAIEGSD glass bottle cutter a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Precise cutting. This glass bottle cutter has a cutting head made of ultra-durable diamond carbide, as well as 2 separate cutting heads with a guaranteed durability of over 400,000 uses. Exquisite design. Having an adjustable size is one of its most enticing features. It has 5 support wheels, a backstop that can be removed, and holes that can be adjusted in more than one way, which makes it perfect for your next bottle DIY project. More stable. The rubber base of the bottle glass cutter keeps it from sliding around on the table. All of the pieces and fasteners are very secure, so you can make a clean cut in the first try. Creative crafts. You can use this bottle cutter to make table lamps, candlesticks, vases, wind chimes, or red wine glasses out of old glass bottles. By coming up with creative ways to reuse things and making things yourself, you can help protect the environment. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it has a quite complicated instructions, so you may need enough time to figure it out. The 7th bottle cutter in our list is the Creator's Glass Bottle Cutter. If you're looking for a cutting machine that works well in the workspace, this 12 by 5 by 6 inch Creator's Bottle Cutter model is the perfect choice. It can be mounted to a workbench so the glass can be cut more precisely. And because of the machine's design, this can cut any style, round or otherwise. It cuts glass, wine, and beer bottles without a specific diameter limit. For those that are looking to cut more unique pieces, this is surely an excellent investment. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Creator's Glass Bottle Cutter a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. User-friendly. This bottle cutter is easy to use right out of the box. There's no need to assemble, plus it comes with a metric scale for precision scoring all the time. Wide compatibility. You can get square, triangular, and oval bottles. Almost any bottle with a flat bottom will do. Highly durable. It is the only bottle cutter on the market built with polycarbonate plastic, stainless steel sliding bars, enclosed rubber-coated ball bearing rollers, and a carbide cutting wheel. Helpful accessories. For those just getting started, this machine comes with some helpful accessories, including a stone for smoothing the glass edges after a cut, 2 separating rings to help pull the 2 pieces of the bottle apart, and a palm protector. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the rod supporting the rollers might sag and spread apart slightly as you push down to rotate for the scribe. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated bottle cutters, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next bottle cutter roundup, which you would like our team to test, to drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.